Let's tour this quality built home in a peaceful community. Today we're touring this brand new, appealing, modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Las Piñas City, bordering Alabang and Paranaque City. This property has a total floor area of approximately 296 square meters on a 210 square meter lot. I'm Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and join us as we begin this tour. Let's begin with that handsome facade. This property has a gorgeous design with 3 levels, and let's take a look at the parking area. Let's go. If car care is important for you, then this is an excellent parking area since it's completely covered. You have access here towards the service areas of the property, and here we go towards your main entry. You have a pebble garden with pavers here at the side of the house, leading towards the main door. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have an open concept living and dining space with that cove lighting design stretching all the way towards your modern kitchen. You have so much natural light, care of the windows and the sliding door here at the side of the house, giving you a view of the pebble garden and landscape area at the perimeter of the property. And from your living space, you have your dining area here, which already has a split type air conditioning unit. This property already has Daikin split type air conditioning units for the amenity areas and the 5 rooms. And from your dining space, you have your modern kitchen at the corner of the property. I love the picture window here, giving so much natural light for your kitchen. And you also have an understated, sleek aesthetic for the space, and you have built-in kitchen appliances such as a range hood, induction cooktop, oven, microwave, and also a refrigerator here. You can imagine having your meals prepared and having a view of the main amenity space. In addition, you have access here towards a service area where you have an additional cooktop and a heavy wash sink and a washing machine and a dryer already. I love that you have this large window here for ventilation for this cooktop area as well. And now let's take a look at the service area of the house. So the back of the house is where you can potentially hang clothes out of view from your guests. And on this side, you have an additional storage area, staff room, and staff bathroom as well. I also want to point out that there is this sliding door here with a barnyard design for separation between the auxiliary space and the main kitchen. Okay? And of course, for your guests' convenience, you have a powder room right here, which maximizes the area underneath the stairs. And now let's head on up towards the second level of this property. Let's go. And here we are at the first bedroom. Now this has a design which separates the walk-in closet space from the main area where you can have your bed. And what's great about this design is you have a large picture window facing the front of the property, and this maximizes the eastward orientation of the front of the house. And you also have that tree positioned at the side of the house, so you have that pop of greenery as you go in and out of the room. So from the bedroom proper area. You have storage on this side and then a dresser space and an ensuite bathroom. Now this property already has 5 bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms. So if you have a growing family and privacy between the occupants is important, you don't want any shared bathrooms, then this is a great property. And then on this side, you have your second bedroom. Now, it's a corner room facing the west side of the property. And then all of the bedrooms already have a split type air conditioning unit as well. And the design for the flooring in terms of the color of the wooden design is very warm, and it's very easy to match furniture as well, especially earth toned furniture. And then right here you have storage and your bathroom area. You have a very clean and modern design. And this particular room can already be considered the primary room, since the rooms in this property have a similar size. So it would also be a great fit, especially for families who have multiple siblings who are near the same age as well. And this is the third room, once again at the corner of the property, at the west side of the property. You have a recessed cabinet on this side and then a provision for a light fixture. But of course, that's something that you can add as a personal touch after purchasing the home. And then right here, you have an ensuite bathroom with a lighted mirror. And now let's head on up towards the third level where you have your fourth and fifth rooms. And here we are at the fourth room. And you have this wide window here, maximizing the view of greenery at the back of the house. Now, this property has fast access towards Alabang Zapote Road, leading towards Skyway already. Now, if you don't need all 5 bedrooms, this room can also be a great home office or potentially an entertainment room as well. And if you want to use it as a guest room, of course, it also has an ensuite bathroom. Once again, with that modern design and indirect lighting as well. And right here, on the other side of the west side of the property, on the other corner is the fifth room. And this property is fortunate that you have a view of some grown trees at the back of the property and the sunset as well. You have cabinetry here. And in terms of the color scheme used, they're all very complementary. And here you have an ensuite bathroom as well for the fifth bathroom, on top of the bathroom of the staff room. Okay, that caps off our tour, and let's take a quick look once again at this property's well-designed facade. Thank you for joining us in this tour. If you want to know more about this brand new appealing 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Las Piñas City, near Alabang and Paranaque, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at MetroGuideRealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.